Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term synesthesia. Introduction. Synesthesia, a unique sensory phenomenon, occurs when one sense is stimulated, but the individual experiences multiple kinds of sensations simultaneously. In literature, synesthesia is employed to describe one type of sensation using the language of another sense, creating a rich tapestry of sensory imagery. This video explores the concept of synesthesia in literature, its historical roots, and its significance as a literary device. We will delve into examples from renowned poets like Shelley and Keats, along with its heightened use during the Romantic period and its association with the French symbolists. Historical background of synesthesia. The phenomenon of synesthesia has fascinated human civilization for centuries. Even in the works of ancient poets like Homer, occasional instances of synesthetic imagery can be found. These early instances set the stage for the later exploration and amplification of synesthesia during the Romantic period. Synesthesia during the Romantic period. The Romantic period marked a significant shift in the use of synesthesia in literature. Poets like Shelley and Keats embraced the intermingling of senses to create evocative and emotionally charged imagery. Shelley's The Sensitive Plant provides a complex example of synesthesia where the colors of flowers are attributed to music, eliciting an experience of sound as an order within the sense. This heightened use of synesthetic imagery enhanced the emotional impact of poetic compositions. French symbolists and synesthesia. The French symbolists, prominent among them Charles Baudelaire and Arthur Rimbaud, embraced synesthesia as a key element of their poetic expression. Baudelaire's sonnet Correspondences and Rimbaud's sonnet On the Color of Vowel Sounds exemplify their skillful use of synesthetic imagery to evoke profound emotions and connections between disparate sensations. Function and impact of synesthesia in literature. The use of synesthetic imagery in literature serves various functions. It allows poets to transcend the limitations of individual senses, creating a multi-sensory experience for readers. By merging different senses, poets can evoke emotions, transcendental experiences, and heightened perceptions, thereby deepening the reader's engagement with the text. Synesthesia adds layers of meaning and complexity to poetic language, allowing for a more profound exploration of themes and ideas. Conclusion. Synesthesia, the artful blending of senses in literature, has a long and captivating history. From its sporadic use in ancient poetry to its peak during the Romantic period and further prominence among the French symbolists, synesthesia has remained a compelling literary device. Its ability to create powerful sensory experiences and evoke profound emotions makes it an enduring and cherished element of poetic expression. So this was the discussion on the term synesthesia. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.